Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here and this is the Bose 650, a budget Bluetooth speaker, but is it any good? Let's find out. So the Bose just recently dropped their new Bose 650 and I was really excited to check it out, so I have it here. But before we talk more about this, let's unbox this and see all the contents of the box, and then we will talk about the speaker itself. So here's the Amazon parcel, and you know what I'm going to do now. So here we have the retail packaging of the Bose 650. Here it says Bose and below that we can see the image of the speaker itself, and here is their tagline, choose your vibe. It also says Bose 650 at the bottom. I have this in black color, but as you can see it is also available in blue and red as well, which you can check out from the links down below in description. But now as we move forward, we can also see some features of this device, which is Bluetooth 4.2, power-packed HD immersive sound, up to 7 hours of playtime, extended battery of 1800 mAh, aux and TF compatible, integrated multifunction control, IPX5 water resistant and sleek design. And that's all the readings of the box, except there is also MRP of the device on the bottom, which is 5000 rupees. So anyways, let's just don't waste any time and let's quickly open this up. So here we have the Bose 650 speaker, and the first impression is that it is very solid and heavy. We have this metal grill wrapped around and Bose logo on the front. Also there is a 1x4 mounting thread on the bottom to mount this speaker. We also have these two rubber caps on both sides. There is nothing on one side, but we have buttons on the other side to control the speaker. But now as we put this aside for a moment and see what else we get in the box, then we get a micro USB cable to charge this device, a 3.5mm cable to connect this with aux, and last but not the least we get some user manuals. And that's it for the unboxing part, and now let's talk about all the ins and outs of this device. So first of all, let's talk about the design of the speaker. The Bose 650 have this metal grill wrapped all around design with two rubber end caps. The speaker is 191 by 70 by 70 mm in size and 655 grams in weight. We also have a Bose logo on the front of the grill and a 1x4 inch thread mount on the bottom to mount this on any tripod, light stand or anything you would like to mount this on. Now if you look closely, you would also be able to see the dual 2-inch driver behind the front grille and one passive bass radiator on the back. Other than that, we also have a multifunction buttons on the side which do all the basic functions like powering on and off, play pause, next and previous song and volume control. Although when you're trying to turn the speaker to its max volume, it stops the playback just to say
maximum volume
and then plays the song back again, which gets really annoying sometimes. But along the line we also have these two poorly done holes for power indicator and microphone,
which means you can also use the speaker to answer calls.
But overall the speaker feels solid and heavy, and because of the weight it makes you feel like you're using a premium quality speaker. But when you pay some close attention, you will see some signs of poor craftsmanship like the mic and power indicator hole, poor paint job, scratches on the logo and few more things here and there. Now as far as the connection goes, the speaker can be connected via Bluetooth, aux, and you get this SD card slot to play songs directly from an SD card. The Bluetooth range is also very average, about 10 to 12 meters, which is pretty usable. And the device is also packing a 1800 mAh battery, which Bose says will last up to 7 hours, but for my testing it gave 6 hours of battery backup at 70 to 80% of volume and around 3 hours of charging time. So those were the little things here and there, and now let's talk about the main aspect of any audio device, which is sound quality. So for the sound quality of Bose 650, I would say they are pretty decent sounding speaker. The speaker has good bass and high frequencies, but they lack a bit in mids and clarity. Sometimes the sound feels a bit muddy and muffled on some songs, and also they distort a little bit on high frequencies when you go beyond 80% volume. But one thing I also want to say that these speakers are insanely loud. The Stone 650 is 10-watt speaker and it can fill the entire room with sound. And also when I'm using this speaker, I hardly turned up to 50% of the volume. So now let's do a quick sound test of the speaker so you can judge it by yourself. And also it would be great if you could leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me to make more videos like this. But anyways, here we go.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So that was the sound test, and I would say they are good sounding speaker for the price, although this struggles a little bit on the high frequencies, but mostly for hip hop and pop they will work best, and they also justify the price of 2000 rupees. I would say 1900 rupees, as I got this in a lightning deal, and you can also get this for the same price on the links down below in the description as well. So that wraps up my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.